We all know that feeling when we are hurt by a problem, but are helpless to solve it. We recognize that we have a problem. We feel the impact of this problem, yet there's nothing we can do about it. This is the same situation Africans find themselves with a lack of affordable, clean and sustainable energy.
According to our needs assessment, gas and electricity are too expensive for low-income households and food vendors in Nigeria. So 70% of these people rely on charcoal and firewood for cooking and heating. However, the emission from this causes a lot of health problems to users.
Moreover, the World Health Organization reports over 90,000 Nigerian women and children dying every year as a result of smoke inhalation while cooking with firewood.
40% of the Nigerian population earns less than 800 naira per day. As low as this is, they spend 300 naira on cooking energy daily, which is about 40% of their daily income. No wonder the vicious cycle of poverty continues.
This is a problem affecting the people of Benue and many Nigerian communities today. But beyond this problem, we saw a solution and a business opportunity to enable global progress.
Our solution is Better Coal, a smokeless solid cooking fuel that is made from dried agricultural waste, such as rice hulls, coconut shells, and sawdust. This emission-free cooking fuel helps low-income households and food vendors in Nigeria to cut costs on cooking energy while preserving their health and saving our trees.
Better Coal is totally smokeless as compared to firewood, burns for at least 30 minutes longer than charcoal, is easy to light, and catches fire 5 minutes faster than charcoal.
Better Coal burns with good heat intensity like a propane gas stove, and it is safe for indoor and outdoor use. All these have contributed to its massive acceptance in the market as it is gradually becoming a product of choice.
Our value proposition saves cost. Better Coal is sold at 100 naira per kilogram, as opposed to charcoal, which sells at 200 naira per kilogram, but burns less compared to Better Coal, saving about 50% of their usual expenses on cooking energy.
Our business model involves direct selling to customers through B2C, partnering with retail stores and supplying our customers at their places of business.
We also use the B2B model, where we sell directly to retail businesses and partner with business owners and management to sell Better Coal to their staff and receive payments from their employees each month.
So far, we have partnered with Beautiful Mind Schools, Demonstration Secondary School, Our Lady of Mount Carmel College, Makurdi, and Lady P Restaurants, amongst others. We have also received approval from our university to allow the use of Better Coal in the students' hostel while supplying them.
Our partnership with Radio Benue has helped us increase product acceptance in our target market.
Plus, our team was featured live on AIT, where we educated the public on climate change and marketed our solution.
This has increased our acceptance, with many asking questions about our product, ordering from different locations, and expressing interest in partnering with us.
We introduced Cost Cap, a community sensitization program, as the second phase of Better Coal. With this program, we are partnering with Deaf Train Nigeria, an NGO promoting climate action, who have provided us with 200,000 naira and technical support to help us teach people about climate change. This program has reached 13 communities, educated 823 people, and donated 200 tree seedlings to 147 households. It has also helped to promote our products.
Since inception in September 2021, we have produced a total of 51.5 tons of Better Coal and sold 50.9 tons to 544 customers, making a revenue of 5 million naira and a profit of 2 million naira.
With the increase in demand for our product, our team was faced with the challenge of keeping up with the market. This is mainly due to the manual production process. so we sought out funding and investors.
We are happy to announce that Better Co has received 15,000 euros and 10,000 US dollars in funding. Better Co was chosen as the first runner-up in the Race for Climate Action, sponsored by Intuit in partnership with Enactus Global, from a field of 90 business projects across 16 countries. It also came fourth place in the Action with Africa Challenge, where Enactus teams from 15 countries competed with more than 200 business projects.
With these grants and revenue, we are currently automating our production processes with machines, allowing us to best utilize human labor and increase our production capacity.
Consequently, in the coming weeks, Better Co's weekly production will increase by 1 ton per hour to match and even exceed current demand. As a result, we are currently working to enhance distribution across more states and to intensify social media marketing for Better Co.
Also, we have now designed improved cook stoves that will be launched in the coming months. With these cook stoves, Better Co can now be used even in modern kitchens.
So far, our project has directly impacted a total of 95 people and indirectly helped 324 households and food businesses save at least 50% of their cooking energy expenses. This has significantly increased the daily income of the people.
Better Co has saved over 1,000 trees from being cut down from fuel and saved over 79.5 tons of CO2 emission. More so, 115 tons of agro waste have been successfully managed. This contributes to the reduction of global warming.
In the coming weeks, with the improved machines, we will be able to meet the growing demands of Better Co across the country. Our plan is to saturate the Nigerian market and expand to other African countries.
A similar concern for community health drew our attention to malaria, a deadly disease that plagues the continent, especially in Nigeria.
It is unfortunate that the rich Benue Valley, our proud home, provides the best breeding environment for the mosquitoes that cause this deadly disease. Because of the environmental conditions, there's high transmission rate, and Benue accounts for up to 30% of the total malaria cases in Nigeria, affecting mostly children under 5 years.
We discovered that malaria vaccines are insufficient in Africa as a whole. Neither are medications any good because they only help temporarily.
Aware of this gap in the global well-being, the EnactusJoseph team sought to create a solution that eliminates mosquitoes with no risk to human or the environment. These bettered Zima redolent solutions.
Zima, an acronym for Zero Malaria, describes an aerosol mosquito repellent that doubles as an air freshener. Because it is made from plant essential oil that is readily available in Nigeria, it is very effective in repelling mosquitoes, leaving a pleasing smell, safe for humans to inhale.
The product comprises 2 main active ingredients, lemongrass and lavender oil, which is made from lavender flowers.
The most common product used in rural communities in Benue State is the mosquito coil, which costs 100 naira daily and burns for just 7 to 8 hours. A 100 ml bottle of Zima is sold at 300 naira and offers 9 to 10 hours of protection and can last for 12 to 15 days.
After producing and distributing our prototype to 120 families in 2 communities, the positive feedback and the request for more marked our solution as a success.
Immediately, we sought and obtained all relevant registrations and certifications.
We partnered with Helping Hands Foundation Makurdi. They bought our products, which they distributed in multiple prisons in Benue State.
We were featured live on Radio Benue, where we spoke about our product to the general public. These sold us numerous units in our very first production cycle, prompting the need for expansion in production.
In search for expansion funds, Zima increased production and distribution and entered the Action with Africa Challenge, where we won 2,500 euros for project expansion.
With this in our revenue, we acquired and better equipped a new production site.
We trained 70 women in an IDP camp in Makurdi, Benue State on how to grow and nurture lemongrass. These women will grow lemongrass and sell it to us at the price of 200 naira per kg. As we speak, they have begun selling to us and are earning extra income to feed their family.
Also, 10 young men from this same camp were gainfully employed to assist in the processing, selling and distribution of our products in Makurdi and other local governments in the states.
Project Zima, at the frontier of the fight against malaria, has generated over 1 million naira in revenue for the team.
This project has made 83 internally displaced persons and young ones gainfully employed in our production and distribution processes.
This year, our project journey has directly impacted over 100 people and indirectly impacted 961 people, saved over 1,000 trees from being cut down for fuel, prevented 79.5 tons of CO2 emissions, generated over 10 million naira in revenue, and promoted 6 SDGs.
Goal 3. Good health and well-being.
Goal 7. Clean and affordable energy.
Goal 8. Decent work and economic growth.
Goal 10. Reduced inequality.
Goal 13. Climate action.
And Goal 15. Life on land.
Our only tools have been ideas and business-driven innovation with a strong spirit of entrepreneurial leadership. Yet, our actions have built a lasting edifice of changed lives, impacting people and the planet and fostering prosperity for all. We are
The Enactus team from Joseph Sarwuan Tarka University, Makurdi.